As we begin the pleasures of being present, I invite you to find a comfortable spot to stand or sit with nature in view. We'll take a few minutes engaging our senses to get ready to really spend and immerse ourselves into nature. We'll begin with some gentle breathing. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Begin to notice the temperature and sensation through your nostrils. The feeling of your belly expanding. And if you are in nature, start to notice the sounds of nature coming closer. We're going to close our eyes and work on connecting with our other senses. For a moment, let's listen to the sounds that are closest to us as we breathe gently in and out. The sounds closest to you from your heart beating and your breath coming and going. And notice those sounds that are far away from you. Can you hear the sounds of nature calling to you from far away? Notice those. Move your awareness now to the sensation of light and dark. You may want to turn your head from side to side and notice how the sunlight or darkness touches your closed eyelids, and find a direction that feels peaceful and calming to you. And hold your space. Notice how you're feeling in your heart as you sit or stand in this space, connecting with nature and the other sounds of your environment. The smells, the sense of touch and how the air touches your hands or face. Be curious about what it may taste like. If you wish, you may put your tongue out and try to breathe in across your tongue and out through your nose. And notice if there's a taste to this space, or coolness or warmth that comes over as you breathe in over your tongue. Continue to tune in to your sight and sound and smell, touch. If you've had your eyes closed during this pleasures of being present, I would invite you in a moment. We will open our eyes, but do it very gently as if a newborn kitten were opening their eyes for the very first time. So ever so slowly, I invite you to gently open your eyes and see the surroundings for the very first time, as if they're looking at you for the very first time.